This is a very common problem, and I can really understand that it is really frustrating that Wi-Fi is connected but no internet access. If this is the case in your laptop or a desktop, please watch this tutorial and you will be able to fix it by yourself by doing two simple steps. So the very first step, please take a note of it, copy all these commands: ipconfig release, flushdns, renew, netsh inet, and winsock reset. Now I'll mention these commands in the description box so that you can copy like this. Like in the first thing, you can copy from release and then ipconfig to DNS and then ipconfig to renew. So there are 5 commands which you need to run, and click on the search icon, just type cmd, and please make sure you click on run as administrator and click on yes, and one by one paste these commands. So I'll mention these commands in the description box so that you can copy and paste it. And the next step, once this is done, restart the computer and see if your Wi-Fi connection is fine or not. If still Wi-Fi is not working in your laptop or a desktop, then you need to do the second step. For the second step, do a right click in the start icon and click on run, and here type ncpa.cpl. Once you have done that, click on OK, and here you will find your Wi-Fi connection. You just need to do a right click and click on disable, and this will disable the Wi-Fi connection. And once you see after 2 to 3 seconds it will take to disable, and once you see that your Wi-Fi is disabled, then just do a double click or simply do a right click and click on enable. Now the moment you do it, then try to connect your Wi-Fi, and I'm sure you will be fixing your Wi-Fi connection and you can use your internet now. So if this is the case, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day, guys.